whether we are invested in Taiwan, we are invested in South Korea. So yes, absolutely, we are more than invested in those countries, and I'll tell you why. So South Korea, the entire stock market boom in South Korea is based on two companies, SK Hynix and Samsung. They command about 45 to 50% of the total market cap of the South Korean market. And the South Korean markets have done well because those two are memory companies. They provide high bandwidth memory, which is a requirement for AI data centers. Without that, you can't build AI server. And it's compared to Micron, is a US-based company. There are only 3 companies in the world who are the largest producers of high bandwidth memory. And you can invest in those 3 companies. If you are invested in South Korea, you have to invest in the 2. We have invested in the 3rd. So yes, we are invested in South Korea through a US competitor or a proxy. And if you see the returns of the South Korean companies versus US companies, they almost track 1:1 for the last 2-3 years, which is when these companies have been in the limelight. So absolutely yes, South Korea we have covered. Taiwan is another market which is purely based on semiconductors. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the largest company in Taiwan, is driving the Taiwanese stock market. We have invested in either customers of TSMC or tool providers to TSMC. And TSMC is listed in the US. We could have invested in it. We chose not to invest because we feel there are better options compared to TSMC. And if you see our software stocks as well as our semiconductor stocks, sorry, not software, they have done much better than TSMC. So yeah, I think through competitors or other companies which are similar to Taiwanese companies, we have invested a lot in those companies. So Taiwan and South Korea, we have covered them